Welcome to the AlphaKey Club, Alphabet Adventures, where you get a new alpha key to literacy every day.
Hi everyone, I'm Alphee, your elephant friend. This is Leo, my best friend in the whole world. This is Leo's friend Ola, who lives next door. Leo and Ola play and learn together. This is my special AlphaKey alphabet activity book that's filled with alpha keys. These keys help you learn to read and write, express yourself, and grow things you know. Grab your AlphaKey activity book. Let's get started. Let's look at our AlphaKey alphabet chart. The letter A starts so many words, but in the AlphaKey alphabet, A stands for achieve. Achieve. Let's clap it out. Achieve.
The Webster Dictionary defines achieve as to reach or attain by effort, skill, or courage. Basically, to achieve means to get something done. I heard Leo has big goals he wants to achieve when he grows up, like graduating from high school and college. I am so excited for him. But we don't only achieve big goals. We can also achieve small things every day. Like today, I want to achieve playing with Leo and going outside. What are some things you want to achieve today? Brushing your teeth? Washing your face? Putting away your toys? Playing with your friends?
Okay, now on to our activity. Find A for achieve in your activity book. Once you are there, look for the directions. The directions say, trace the line from start to end. Color each action achieved. You can pause the video to trace the dotted line and color the student's achievements. You can also answer the question, what things did the student achieve? Wow, looks like this student is working hard to achieve different things. How many things did the student achieve? 3! That's right! Now, work with your grown-up, teacher, or parent to make a list of things you want to achieve today, or when you grow up. Write or draw a few things you'd like to do on the lines below the picture. Remember to celebrate everything you achieve, big or small. All achievements deserve a cheer, a hurrah! Thanks for stopping in to hang with me, your elephant friend, Alphee. Until next time, practice your alphabet, or even better, sing mine.
Achieve, be bold, confidence and dignity. Encourage others to have fun with you and me. Be grateful and healthy, integrity with joy. Be kind with love, mighty, noble, optimistic. Patience with question, respect and support. Remember, teamwork with understanding brings victory. Wisdom makes an expert. Be useful with zeal. That's our new AlphaKey alphabet. The more we sing it, the more words we will get.